भारतीय नेवी का और इंडियन इंटेलिजेंस का, उसको पाकिस्तान में फांसी दी जाएगी। मैं कंफर्म नहीं कर सकता इस बात को, लेकिन ये रिपोर्ट देखिए।
Hi. Ever wonder when did espionage first start? The concept of espionage is so ancient, it dates back to the era of Aztecs, where poctas were employed as spies during their vast knowledge of the Aztec Empire. Even the Old Testament refers to Joshua and Caleb and the 12 spies when entering the Promised Land. And so do the Chinese and Indian military masterminds Sun Tzu and Chanakya. However, the interesting question here is, what happens to a spy when he or she gets caught for espionage? Let's see. Dr. Richard Sorge, born to German parents in Azerbaijan in 1895, fled to the Soviet Union in 1920, ending up as a spy for Communist Russia. He was sent to various countries by the USSR. It was in Japan where he was finally caught and executed in 1944. Mata Hari, the most famous spy of World War I, charmed the German and French military officers with her exotic dancing skills. The Dutch-born spy was identified after French intelligence intercepted a German military radio signal. She too was executed by firing squad in 1917. Julius and Ethel Rosenberg were an American couple who were convicted of spying for the Soviet Union in the aftermath of World War II. This couple was also executed by electric chair in 1953. The most recent incident where a high-ranking spy was caught took place in Baluchistan, Pakistan. The spy named Khelbhushan Yadav was a serving Indian Navy intelligence officer and was arrested on the 3rd of March by Pakistani intelligence. Reports from inside the Pakistani government suggest that he will be executed by the end of this year. How will the Indian government react to his execution? Only time will tell. For CJ Post, I'm Ali.